In this video, I'm going to show you the various things you can use one of these sawhorses for. Pretty easy to make. If you haven't seen that video yet, go check it out. I'll leave a link. Stick around to the end. I'm going to show you other things that you can use this for besides just cutting up slab wood. This is really where this shines though, because you can put a bunch of pieces of just odd shaped pieces of wood and cut them all at once instead of cutting them one at a time like I was doing previously. That was very time consuming. I can't throw that slab in there. That's too nice to burn in the wood boiler. I'm using the Dewalt 20-volt battery 12-inch long chainsaw. This thing's pretty slick, you know, all you need is bar of oil and a charged up battery. I think I did this trail load in just over one full battery. This is the fun part, stacking all the wood. Another thing this can be used for is cutting up logs like this. Keeps it off the ground, gets your consistent length, easy to manage. Let's try it. This is a beech log that I'm cutting up, and really, the chainsaw does a pretty good job. This beech is wicked dense stuff, so I was pretty impressed at how well that chainsaw went down through it. He's a little long. So if you haven't already seen the video on how I made this sawhorse rig here, go check it out. I'll put a card at the end. And all kinds of uses you can use this for. It's just wicked handy to keep everything off the ground. You don't have to bend over to cut the logs or the slab wood, whatever you may be cutting on it. Keeps your chain out of the dirt, which is always a good thing. Prolongs the life of a sharp chain. So all kinds of good reasons. So make sure you're subscribed to the channel. You never know what kind of fun things we're going to be doing next. Hit that like button if you found this information helpful, and we'll see you on the next video.